Shot on me. I guess I'm soaking it.
Let me know when you're ready to swap off.
Yeah, I'm gonna swap off now.
Got it.
Perfect.
Alright, somebody's gotta take this from me. Never mind, it's gone.
Yeah, it's 2 people. Oh, watch out! You don't want to take that.
I've never seen him do it before halfway mark.
Regin, can you please fucking stop with the emote? It's fucking annoying. It's okay. It's fucking annoying though.
Who the fuck just ran away from that? And Elise is like, fuck the crystal. I got DPS over here.
Someone else can play with that shit.
Mario, I'm coming.
Hey yo.
Hey yo.
I need help here. Oh, dude, I fucking
Don't
did
we
it.
all?
What do you need help with?
The crystal, I sucked at, I guess. I don't know.
Okay.
It's weird.
Nobody has yelled at me so far, so I guess that's good.
Yes.
Oh.
We decided to use this.
Holy! Okay, res me fast. Please.
Good night.
Res me fast. I was
Ain't
in.
good.
I literally had Antec Magic show on.
Yeah, you need to pair it with a fucking vampiric at this point.
Why you guys keep running away from the crystal? For fuck's sake, come on!
I already have stacks.
Oh no, you. That just fucked me up. I am on 22 stacks. Nice.
Fucking champ. Take more.
Nah, bro.
Take it all.
Someone took it off of me and then I took it back.
There you go.
Okay.
Can we server mute Sleepy?
Nope.
Oh, dude, he took that spot right at the end. That's crazy.
Oh shit. Finally a trinket.
Oh, I
for you.
need that.
Oh, I need that.
You need that trinket? That specific one?
Yeah.
I'm full on cinders.
Yeah.
That one?
Or hub.
D
Yeah, can I
Or
take
hub.
the last 2 bosses?
Hey yo.
Mm-hmm.